Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Before it begins, I want to mention that only a small portion of my viewers that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you enjoyed this video and want to see similar content, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind.
Oh, shut up, me. Yeah. Just stop, this is okay, bro. Yeah. Just stop, this is okay, bro. Do I get out too? Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Oh, that's happened this way.
Gulo. Road rage lang wala. Non-stop. Iraray totoo. Sige. Tanay naman gulo. Niyada. people these days. Ay, ay, ay. Sige, bulura. Bulura lang ulan yan mga. Sige. Papatayin ira. Yan dito. Sige. Dito lang mga. Sige, go for it. Sige, tatalapusan yung animal. Freaking A. Well, shit. Well, that's good. Yun ang scenery today. Later!
But they'll catch him, won't they? Said Hermione earnestly. They've got all the muggles looking out for him too. What's that noise? Said Ron suddenly. A faint, tinny sort of whistle was coming from somewhere. They looked all around the room.
Oh, that's scary.
It's coming from your trunk, Harry, said Ron, standing up and reaching into the luggage rack.
What's this guy
A moment
doing?
later, he pulled the pocket sneaker scope out from between Harry's robes. It was spinning very fast in the palm of Ron's hand and glowing brilliantly. Is that a sneaker scope? Said Hermione interestedly, standing up for a better look. Yeah.
Daniel's not on my computer. No.
You need to go to the target store right now. Okay. Just log out from your online
look like the monster from...
Just log out from your online
Look,
banking.
if you refresh the page, I refreshed the page and now it says